Do what?
Swipe up.
I can't even. Dude. No, you're good. You're fine.
See, that's beautiful.
What's going on, YouTube? Today is finally the day we're going to insulate the garage. Shout out to my buddy Keaton and Angelo for hooking it up on some insulation. We have some R32 here, and we're going to throw it in between the metal studs. I got the garage electrical done about 2 weeks ago, thanks to my buddy John. He came over, we knocked that out, and of course, I didn't film any of it, but it's all good. We have power ran from the house off the breaker. In here, comes up from the ground. And we have a switch for the lights, a couple different outlets. And then we have it going around the garage. And we have an outlet, I think 2 on each wall. Wire going all around. And it turned out pretty good. So got to get the insulation hung. Traditional bats go into wood studs and you'd use a stapler or staple them up or whatever, but we really can't with our metal studs. So we're gonna glue them to the sheet metal, and then when I put my boards up, which will be another day in another video, some drywall or some OSB, we're gonna have to anchor it down with some metal self tappers to go into the studs. So not your traditional way of doing it, but we're gonna get the job done, and I think it'll work good. So yeah, without further ado, let's start hanging this insulation. So we got some 3M Super 77 adhesive. We're gonna spray on the metal and then stick the bats right to it. Just like that. All right, guys, so we got the first wall almost completed. We just gotta get on a ladder and do the top, but we got all majority of it done, and the bottoms turning out really good. It's going up pretty fast. You know, it's taking a little bit of time doing like the precise cutting because, you know, it's like 1 1/4 wide. So a lot of cutting, but yeah, we're making do. This only took us, I don't know, probably 15 minutes. The ladder work's gonna be a little bit tougher to do. And the ceiling is gonna be a nightmare, I think, but staying optimistic. Hopefully it's not bad. right, so we just finished up all the sides. Got them all tucked in there. Now it's time to hop on some ladders and get the top done. And after that, the roof. But it's going pretty good. It's going fast. My buddy Keaton knows what he's doing. He used to do this as a job. So shout out to him again. He's hooking it up. We're knocking this out really fast. And it's turned out pretty good, I think. Alrighty, so we're getting going still. Got the back wall pretty much done. Sides are all done except on the tops. Starting to work on the roof. That's proven to be a little bit of a nightmare, but we're making it work. But it turned out pretty good so far. We had 8 rolls, or I'm sorry, 8 bags. And I believe there's 11 bats in each bag. And let's see, we got 3 bags left and 5 bats out of the other one. So we're going through them. Alright guys, so the garage is finally insulated. We hit a little snag, we ran out of glue. So fast forward 2 days, the other night we just finished up. We ended up needing like 3 more cans, and then we're actually two bags short, so we needed a little bit more insulation, but we finally got it done, and I'm really happy with how it came out. So check it out. Did the full ceilings all the way around. Now I got to drywall it, or find a board to put up. Probably gonna use drywall, and then mud it and paint it. A little bit darker in here now, you know, gray, light gray walls to dark brown walls, so a little bit darker, but it's already made a big difference. So it's 28 degrees outside right now. I have not had the heat on in here at all, and it's 41 in here. It's just crazy what a little insulation will do. Like I said, no heat has been on in here. So that's just a difference from outside temperature to inside temperature. So that's 13 degrees. That's just, it's crazy. Throw a heater on here, this thing will be heated up in 10 minutes and it'll be ready to go and ready to be work on in here and do whatever you need and stay warm. Like I said, I'm just out here in a hoodie. So really happy with how it came out. Shout out to Keaton for helping me and hooking it up. Great guy. Knew what he was doing. He used to do this as a profession. And yeah, he saved me a lot of money. If I wasn't saved a lot of money, this whole setup, I don't know how much installed, I don't know how much installer would charge, but this is like $700 to $800 in insulation and then probably another 100 or 2 in glue. So I guess it just all depends on your area, what you can find for pricing. And installers, or you can do it yourself. It's not too bad. But yeah, we tucked them all in. The ceiling was definitely the biggest pain. We had to get 2 people up there with ladders and stuffing them in and trying to get it to hold tight. But I think it did its job. I think it did good. And then behind the garage door opener, behind some of the wiring, behind the springs, we made it good. That's for sure. All right, that's going to conclude it for today's video. I really appreciate you stopping by, watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps out a lot as well. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Stay tuned for some more videos coming. I got some more diesel truck videos coming, more garage videos. I'm going to try and get it drywalled here in the next couple weeks, and I'll be sure to post a video of that as well, and install and how to do it all, mud and painting it all, and all that fun stuff. Like I said, there's not too many guys that insulate these, and if they do, they use spray foam. So I think this might be the first video out where we stuffed insulation bats and all the studs and through the walls. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. Remember, take it easy, and if it's easy, take it twice.